Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Redmi K40 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of them is show grid lines button, so just one tap here to turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off as we need, and as you can see the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the camera preview we can see the grid lines. So they are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the right corner, tap to show grid lines button, and for now they are turned off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.